All right, welcome back to my mess. Let's clean it up. Bag, I'm not sure where this is. I don't know if you can read that. Put it up to the light. Work safely, property of Mansanta. Think safety. Huh. Hang that up in the shop. I already installed that fan. It actually has a filter on the back. So kind of push some of that dust out when I'm cutting. I'm gonna make sure I start using that. All my clamps are hung up right here behind the camera. So I was like, what can I use to fill this hole? Why not use the sawdust that's already in there and just kind of level it out? So that's what I did. Now we're gonna throw the mat on top of it. I could use a little bit more. It'll be all right. Sorry for now. Okay, mat's down. That was heavy. All right, fan running. It's very light use. I'll use them in here, let them fill up, and then take them to the dump. Ain't no point in throwing away a filter that's still got some life to it, you know? Just take it to the box fan and it works. All right, so it's looking a lot better in here. You can still see there's some crud right there. This table's clean. Oh, I finally can see my table again. I don't think you guys ever saw this. Here's all my clamps and such. My table's all cleaned up. I'm gonna work on some more projects and hopefully keep it clean this time, you know? I'm gonna hook up some dust collection of some sorts. Probably get an automated switch for the vacuum so it turns on anytime something's plugged in. Miter saw, planer, it automatically turn on. That's the plan. Right now, I got a mat in here and it's awesome. Feels amazing on my feet. I think I'm gonna call it a night. If you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and subscribe and we'll see you on the next one. What's going on, guys? Got these 3 beautiful pieces of wood. And I cannot for the life of me figure out what I want to make with them. So if you have any ideas, leave a comment on this video and we'll build something.